Welcome to the weekly Mesonet Weather Report. I'm Wes Lee. There's not a lot of rainfall to talk about this week. Over the past 10 days, every Mesonet station received at least a little. However, as this 7-day map from Wednesday shows, the numbers were pretty small, especially in the west. Wheat is starting to look a little better as it continues to recover from a slow start. Most of that slow start being due to cool temperatures. For November, the average monthly temperatures, as shown in this map, were mostly in the mid-40s. If that seems cool to you, you're right. Compared to the Mesonet long-term average, we see that there are 3 to 5 degrees below average across the state. This same low air temperature translated to lower than average soil temperatures. Here you see the same 3 to 5 degree difference and even a 6-degree drop at the Arnett site. The year as a whole has been a cool one so far for Oklahoma. This graph shows the actual average monthly temperatures by month with the blue bars. The orange bars are the expected or long-term average temperatures. In 7 of the 11 months, we were cooler than normal. Now here's Gary showing us some impressive year-to-date rainfall totals.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, as usual, we're going to start with the latest drought monitor map, and it's not looking good for western Oklahoma, so let's get right to it. As you can see, we have a large area of western Oklahoma up into north central Oklahoma covered by abnormally dry conditions. That's the yellow. That's an area going into drought if they don't get precipitation. And then the moderate to severe drought, which are the darker colors, from the western panhandle over into northern Harper County in the main body of the state. And then down far southwest Oklahoma, we see a little bit of severe drought surrounded by moderate drought. So those are areas we're going to have to keep watching because they continue to miss out on the rainfall. Now we've talked about the dry, let's talk about the wet. This is the year-to-date rainfall from the Oklahoma Mesonet. Look up in far northeastern Oklahoma. 80 inches at Miami is the wettest calendar year for that city they've ever seen, with 3 weeks left to go even. They beat the previous record by more than 13 inches, which is absolutely shattering that record. Let's check that same time frame out, this time departure from normal rainfall. Miami, Oklahoma, an incredible 37.6 inches of rain above normal. The western panhandle, about 5 inches, 3 to 5 inches below normal, so quite a difference in the experiences. The same thing for down in southwest Oklahoma, where they're from 1 to 3 inches below normal. What about coming up for next week? Maybe we'll see a pattern change. These outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center show increased odds of below normal temperatures and above normal precipitation for sometime next week over that general 4 to 6 day period. Now the only problem is that's not a wet time of the year, so above normal precipitation might not be a drought buster. But we can always hope, and we can start to knock some of that drought out of western Oklahoma. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.